Hi, I'm Dino Delianis, and I'm here with Intlvac Thin Film's News of the Week. I'm here inside our new cleaning room, which we've set up as part of our new expansion of manufacturing space. In here we clean surfaces down to the microscopic level. Microscopically, if you looked at a surface or two surfaces touching, it's almost as if you have mountain peaks, and in those valleys we have all kinds of contamination. So we use ultrasonics, deionized water, and special detergents with low boron or virtually no boron content to make sure that things that we clean allow us to achieve ultra-high vacuum on pretty much the first time we pump down your system. Thank you for watching.